Talk Steel, Luke here, and in today's video I'm going to be testing out this new glass cleaner from Sam's Detailing, which I know what you're thinking, glass cleaners, they're not the most exciting thing in the world, but I'm going to show you why I think this one is the best glass cleaner I've ever used on a car. So long-term viewers of my channel may remember about almost a year ago I did an initial review on Sam's Detailing and was very impressed with the majority of their range, and one of their standout products was their iron remover, or iron reactor as they called it, which removed fallout from the car. And there was two reasons why this product just outshone all the other ones I'd used in the past. One of them was that it had a fantastic spray head on it, which really gave a nice, neat, even distribution of the product. And secondly, they added a gel-based formula, so compared to the other fallout removers I'd used on the car, their one really stuck to the panel I was spraying. I didn't use too much product either, and it just really worked itself in. It dwelled really well, and it's one of my favourite products I've used this year. So I was super excited when they said they were sticking a gel-based formula into a glass cleaner, and I know that sounds sad saying I'm excited about glass cleaners. Normally I don't give a damn about them because they're normally a product that's easy enough to do, to make, that will do a good job. But yeah, I thought this might be a bit different. It could be a bit of a gimmick, it could be genuinely useful, and I'm glad to say it actually was genuinely useful. So I've just tried this on the Fiesta out there. The glass is filthy, it's not been cleaned in months inside and out. So what I wanted to say, the first thing about this that is changed, I've tried their old glass cleaner by the way, which it did on the interior detail on the Astra, and it did a really good job, but it wasn't any different to Autoglim's Fast Glass or Auto Finesse's, all just good products. So I tried this one out, and the first thing they've done, they have upgraded the spray head again. So they already had the best spray heads I thought of any products I've used, but this time they've actually put a little nozzle on the end where you can adjust the spray from a completely off to a spray setting and then to a jet. So you could really dial it in to whatever application you're using, and it looks like they've updated that across the range, because just down here I've got Exterior Detailer, the new one of them, same spray heads trigger, and same thing on their iron reactor. So I'm super excited to try this again with the new spray head very soon. But yeah, back onto this. Yeah, the spray head's fantastic. What I found is when this goes onto the glass, if you stick on more of a jet setting, and it's going to sound a bit disgusting this, it goes on a little bit more like spit. And I know that because I've had someone spit on my glass when I have been driving because they didn't like me. And that stuff dwells there for quite a long time, believe me. You know, it doesn't drip down off the car, it just stays there in your vision, just grossing you out. And this, I know it sounds disgusting again, applies to the window in exactly the same way, it stays there. Of course you can mist it up a bit more instead to get a wider fan, and I really found even for like the windscreen, 3 or 4 sprays on a big windscreen like the Fiesta, it covered it very, very well, so very little product was being used. And when I actually applied it to the glass, I actually found that it just dealt really well with grease, with streaks. I firstly applied the Exterior Detailer from Sam's just to remove any very loose debris on there because I hadn't washed the car, and then I applied this then just to tackle the grease and the streaks that are on there. Firstly I applied it with a waffle weave microfiber cloth, and then I buffed it off with a clean dry microfiber just to remove any last residue, and on the outside the glass was crystal clear. So I decided then to go to the inside of the car, and I firstly started with the windscreen, which is the most difficult piece of glass in the car, as you probably know. Unfortunately, even though it's a gel-based formula, you can't just spray directly onto the windscreen because of the angle it's coming in at. You will still get some on the dashboard. So you still have to go onto the cloth for that. It did a fantastic job inside, but when I did the side windows, I was able to spray directly onto the side windows from the inside without getting any overspray on the door cards or any other interior trim. So that was just really nice, quick, easy to use. Able to do the entire car in about 5 or 10 minutes. The glass looks crystal clear, and that's pretty much the reason that this is the go-to glass cleaner now for me. It comes in at £8, it's very competitive with the rest of the competition. I don't think it's any more expensive than the old glass cleaner from Sam's, but definitely a very good upgrade, and they're not paying me to say that. I do genuinely believe in this product. But if you want to see more products like this in the future, or more reviews, just be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm releasing new videos every week, and once again, thank you for watching, it's very much appreciated. See you soon, and take care.